Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to review this pen. This one is called the Camlin 47R pen, and this is a really very good pen. It is a old pen, or you can say antique piece type pen. It has been used and manufactured since long time, and it has been used by millions of people. It's a really good pen. Let's see the features of this pen and how it writes. So I'll start with the features. This is a small nib pen. It comes with a small nib. It is from fine to medium. It is fine to medium nib, and a small plastic feed. I think so. It should be plastic. Yes. You can open it and use it as an eyedropper as well. This can be filled like an eyedropper, but actually it is a piston filler ink. And if you observe it, you would not be able to distinguish the piston. This aligns itself so nicely with the pen that you won't be able to distinguish the piston. But if you open it, the piston filler starts here. As you can see, there is a small line over here. I hope you can see the yes. So this is the piston. We have to unscrew it, dip it in the ink, and then screw it up. Then this ink will be sucked into it. And this pen comes with a window to show the ink level. There are small diamonds over here which show the level of the ink, and we can see the level of the ink in this. And this is not visible over here because I have added black color ink into it. Since it is a black color pen, I have added black color into it, so because of which we won't be able to see the ink inside the windows here. And this is a really smooth pen. It comes with a metal cap and Kokyo Camlin engraved over it. You can see Camlin 47 engraved over it, and a black section in the cap, and a really cute pen. It's for the day-to-day use. It is a really good pen. Now I'm going to share a writing sample of it, and then I will share, if any, I will share my likes and dislikes of this pen. So I have added the Brill black ink into it, and for a few days I have been using this black ink into it, and this is really good. This does well in this pen. So the pen for today is Camlin 47R, and it's a eyedropper cum piston filler fountain pen. And it is very smooth in writing. Just let me show the sentence. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. You can see it is flowing very smoothly. The pen is really smooth. It writes very wet. It is a good juicy pen. It throws a lot of ink, so the writing is very smooth and juicy. And there are no line variations. You have same lines, and without a break. It writes without a break. It's a really smooth and good pen. I have been using it for the last few months, and I have another pen of the same make with a different color, and I found it a really good pen, good for day-to-day use, and good smooth writing. And really good for day-to-day use. Only one thing which I found it, if we keep it for say 1 day or 2 days without use, then the nib gets dried off. There is a slight drying of nib, and you need to work it out to a little bit to make it right. Like you will have to unscrew the piston a little bit, and then the ink will start flowing, and then after that it is working very smoothly. This is the only issue I found with this pen. Apart from that, the grip is very good, the pen is really smooth, and if it is posted, it holds on very well. It is a balanced pen and good for writing, and without posting also it holds very well into the hand, and the cap and the pen both are really good. I felt it good, except that drying option where if we don't use it, it gets a little dried off, and then you have to make it work. So this is Camlin, and I hope you have enjoyed the video. Do share and like to my video. Do subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.